Okay, welcome back to my channel. We are asked to simplify g of x plus k minus g of x all over k, given that g of x is equal to x squared minus x. Solution: we are given that g of x is equal to what? X squared minus x. So let's find g of x plus k, okay, which is what? Anywhere you see x, just put x plus k. So this will now be equal to what? X plus k all squared minus x plus k, okay? So which will now be what? Square the first one, x squared, multiply the first one and the second one, double it, you have 2kx, multiply square the last one, you have k squared, with minus x, then minus k. Okay, so having this, if you now substitute in what we are given, we are asked to find g of x plus k minus g of x, then all over k. So this is equal to, write this one first, x squared plus 2kx plus k squared minus x minus k, then minus our g of x, which is x squared minus x, then everything over k. So my answer becomes x squared plus 2kx plus k squared minus x minus k. This will now be minus x squared plus x, everything over k. So if you look at this, you will now see that x squared will take care of x squared and minus x will take care of plus x. So I'm left with 2kx plus k squared, then minus k, everything over k. So if you divide each of them by k, I'm going to have 2x plus k minus 1. So that is that. Very simple. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share to your friends. So find this one for me. G of x minus k minus g of x over k. So find out and tell me what the answer is at the comment section. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye.